If you are experiencing issues with your dashboard not loading on Tableau Online, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent dashboards from loading. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted files stored in your browser. Step 3. Update browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser. Outdated browsers may not support all features of Tableau Online, leading to loading issues. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Temporarily disable any browser extensions or add-ons that could interfere with Tableau Online. Some extensions may block scripts or content necessary for the dashboard to load. Step 5. Contact Tableau support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Tableau support for assistance. They can provide more specific guidance based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the dashboard loading issue on Tableau Online. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help.